How has this summer challenge changed my life? On a lot of the other meal plans I was on, I wasn't eating enough. And the other thing I learned was I do need flexibility with my food. Being a working mother of 3 and a wife, it's not always easy to meal prep or plan out a majority of things. Sometimes you just have to go with it. But with fitting everything into macros, you can make it work no matter what your situation. So that's changed my life, and I'm down almost 11 pounds and lots of inches.
For the first time in over 20 years, I can look in the mirror and like what I see. I actually feel good about myself.
Easy to use, the app's fantastic, log on, meet your macros, it's seamless. Every morning my workouts are there, could not be easier, seeing great results, feel fantastic, sleeping great, and believe me, after 50, just sleeping, that's an accomplishment. Great nutrition, wonderful workouts, super excited.
I am currently in your 6-week Summer Shred Challenge.
Gauge Girl Training 6-week Summer Challenge.
Team Gauge Girl Summer Challenge 2020.
I'm actually on my second summer challenge. I started the first one back in May.
It gave you custom macros and training for your body type, which is something that I wanted to get better at.
I just wanted to let you know how this program specifically has been changing my life.
Since starting, I've lost 21 pounds and several inches, which is amazing to me. I feel incredible.
It's been such a great experience. It's been life-changing. The second I got those macros.
You get your custom macros, you get your workouts every day, you know what you have to do, you get additional support every week. She comes on, answers any questions that you have.
Christine's amazing. The macros, body typing, everything spot on.
The customized macros and the customized workouts according to my specific body type is an absolute game changer.
I'm getting some of the best results that I've ever had in my life. And I'm doing it with just these dumbbells and a couple of resistance bands.
More energy, I lost weight, I lost inches.
My goals entering this challenge was obviously weight loss and overall fitness, but really taking back control of my health.
A guide, a tool that I needed to just get me over a weight loss stall that I had been experiencing for the past few months.
I'm eating everything, just sticking to my macros.
Well, after my first challenge, I saw amazing results, which made me sign up for the second round that I'm doing right now. I keep seeing amazing results, so I signed up for the third challenge that is starting on August 10th, and I am super grateful that I found Gauge Girl Training because it has gotten me in the best shape of my life.
I feel like this is just the beginning for me. These challenges have been incredible. I've become super educated about my health, my nutrition. I love how Christine does what she does. It's realistic, it makes sense, it's sustainable, and it's doable. I am a full-time working mom with 5 kids, and I am able to do this, and I absolutely love it.
If you have any questions between then, you just post it in the forum and they answer. She is on there every day, all day. I don't know how she has time to do her job because they are there every day, all day, answering your questions and providing that support and providing that encouragement that I've literally never seen before in my life.
The guidance from Christine and her team has been really valuable on the private Facebook forum and the weekly Zoom meeting. They've been present through this whole experience.
Thank you to Christine and everybody at Gauge Girl Training.
The community has been wonderful. My boss has noticed a difference in my attitude, and so is my family and my husband.
We're all there supporting each other, and that's been a great help and so motivating. Thank you all.
Super excited to see where my strength and my health will be in the future.